how to use Snapchat. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can use Snapchat. So for that, simply click on Snapchat. Now here you guys mean see camera etc. After that, you need to sign up. Once you sign up, you guys will see message icons, the baby icon, message icon. Here you guys will see all the people that are added on with Snapchat with you. For example, so on Snapchat, I have a friend. So basically on Snapchat, you people share daily basis pics etc. As a streaks. Like for example, I send the pic to my friend. Now this is a streak, so if he open it, it will be one streak. Also, if he send me one pic again, so we have one streak, and that's how people use Snapchat to like somehow 5,000 streak score, like people are using it from years. So Snapchat is just an app where people share pics and their life routines etc. As a videos, as a pics. So that's how Snapchat works. Thanks for watching.